Hey there, lovely homeowners! If your conservatory is looking a bit dull, I've got just the thing for you. Let's dive into 10 stylish tips that'll transform your conservatory into a stunning oasis. Tip number 1. Embrace nature. Bring in some lush green houseplants. Ferns, palms, and even a cute little succulent can breathe life into your space. Trust me, a bit of greenery goes a long way. Tip number 2. Light it up. Add some fairy lights or elegant lanterns. They create a warm, inviting glow perfect for evening relaxation. And honestly, who doesn't love a bit of twinkle? Tip number 3. Comfortable seating. Invest in some cozy furniture. Think plush sofas, chic wicker chairs, or even a stylish daybed. Your conservatory should be a place to unwind, so comfort is key. Tip number 4. Rugs and textiles. A patterned rug can add a splash of colour and define your space beautifully. Throw in some textured cushions and blankets, and you've got yourself a cozy nook. Tip number 5. Statement art. Hang up some eye-catching artwork or a trendy mirror. It adds personality and can make your conservatory feel more like an extension of your home. Tip number 6. Multifunctional furniture. Think coffee tables with storage or benches that double as seating and storage. This is perfect if you're working with a smaller space. Tip number 7. Indoor-outdoor flow. Blur the line between your conservatory and garden. Opt for bifold doors, or even just keep the doors open when the weather's nice. It makes the space feel larger and more connected to nature. Tip number 8. Color palette. Stick to a light neutral color scheme. Whites, creams, and pastels can make the room feel airy and bright. Then, add pops of color with your accessories and plants. Tip number 9. Personal touches. Add items that reflect your personality and style. Whether it's a vintage clock, family photos, or travel souvenirs, these touches make your conservatory uniquely yours. And finally, tip number 10. Keep it clean and clutter-free. Regularly tidy up the space to maintain that fresh, stylish look. Less clutter means more room to relax and enjoy your beautiful conservatory. There you have it. 10 stylish tips to transform your conservatory into a stunning, relaxing haven. Give these a try and you'll be amazed at the difference. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!